Understanding the phrase, "It's too late now" in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, "It's too late now." Understanding such phrases is key to mastering conversational English. So, let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and some examples to help you grasp it better. The phrase, "It's too late now," is used to express that a particular time has passed, and therefore, an action or opportunity is no longer possible or relevant. It implies that there was a right time for something to happen, but that moment has gone. This phrase often carries a sense of regret or finality. Subsection 2.1. Expressing missed opportunities. Here, "It's too late now" is used to talk about opportunities that were missed. For example, "I wanted to apply for the job, but it's too late now." Subsection 2.2. Indicating irreversible actions. In this context, the phrase suggests that an action has been done and cannot be undone. For example, "I've already sent the email, it's too late now to change it." Subsection 2.3. Conveying the end of a time period. Sometimes, "It's too late now" is used to simply state that a certain time period has ended. For example, "It's too late now to go out, it's already midnight." Subsection 3.1. Not always negative. While often associated with regret, "It's too late now" isn't always negative. It can be a neutral statement of fact. Like in, "It's too late now, the store is closed." Subsection 3.2. Not about physical lateness. It's important not to confuse this phrase with being physically late for an appointment. "It's too late now" is about missed timings or opportunities, not about arriving late. Let's look at a few examples to practice. 1. Missed opportunity. "I wanted to buy tickets for the concert, but it's too late now, they're sold out." 2. Irreversible action. "We can't cancel our trip, it's too late now, all bookings are final." 3. End of a time period. "We can't start a movie, it's too late now and we have to wake up early." That's all on the phrase, "It's too late now." Remember, it's a versatile phrase used in various contexts, often dealing with the concept of time and opportunity. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing, and don't worry, it's never too late to learn something new. See you in our next video.